Here is how you can download CurseForge mods on TLauncher Minecraft. First, open TLauncher and choose Forge version 26.1.1. Next, download CurseForge from their official website. Once it is installed, open CurseForge, go to Minecraft, then click Browse and select Mods. Now you need to filter the mods. Choose the mod loader Forge and select version 26.1.1. After that, click Install on any mod you want. Then click New Profile. Name it Forge 26.1.1. Choose Forge as the mod loader, select version 26.1.1, and click Create. Now click the three dots at the top, then click Open Modding Folder. Go to Instances, then Forge 26.1.1, and then Mods. Next, open Minecraft in TLauncher. Click Mods, then open Mods folder. Finally, copy the mods you downloaded into the Minecraft Mods folder. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.